called trophies.
Aye, if y'all wanna know what this is all about, DJ Nine,
Yeah.
Sinister, Bunge Up, B1, Show,
Let's go.
Here we go. Look, everybody wanna know who that is. Chill on boy with the really good. Alcohol with
None of y'all.
I'm a D.I.
Ready, man.
I'm wrong. That shit game no cheating. Make my bitch so good. You come talk to me. This bitch won't see me like a lot of the people that try to make. Right now, I'm holding it over there. I need my name on the trophy. On the way to the top, it's up the centerpiece. All this shit don't get you drama me. I do not fuck with hypocrisy. I do my best. I'm so blessed. You looking at me, we'll give it a rest. All my people are panic. All of my pink selective. I'll get things some credit. Whilst I'm daily my habit. I'm so laudable, you so gullible. I'm so green. I should be Piccolo. I'm flexing my middle. I'ma go out international for the moon and be walking like Michael. I'm so Jason, the fire I'm breathing, I'm spinning like dragons. All of my demons are silent, pass my blessings and lights like a proton. So much I'm pushing, I'm pushing and dropping, I'm Portugal, me Newton, I need my trophy. Yeah. Are you ready, Weekender? I should be Piccolo. I'm flexing my mental. I need my trophies. Trophies. I need my trophies. Trophies. I need my trophies. Trophies. I need my trophies. 1, 2, 3, let's no weight on my shoulder is really heavy, I got that on my feet. I get a bag of fruit in the shoulder me good. I got to deal with it, no lie. I got my trust issues, I'm just around really tearing cases. I'm hitting no credit, but if he's open this, I'm high, no rush. I do it practice, I'm rushing, but right I'm doing. Keep pressing that you for the work that I'm putting. Pulling you out of my meal, I'm spinning my words, so sweet, you straight that I'm putting. So my work, let's go. I just put in the work, I need my trophies. Are you all ready, Weekender? I need you all, from the front to the back, to jump with me right now. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Okay, Weekender, I'm still bored right now. This side, I want you all to jump 1 time. This side, get crazy for me.